Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make yummy pastry using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of very cold butter, cut into small half-inch cubes. The cold butter is key for a flaky texture. We'll also use about 1/4 cup of ice water to help form our dough. This simple combination creates a wonderful base for many treats. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour and salt. Then add your cold butter cubes. Using a pastry blender or your fingertips, quickly cut the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, with some pieces about the size of small peas. Next, gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, mixing gently until the dough just barely comes together. Avoid overworking it. Once your dough is ready, gently form it into a flat disc, wrap it tightly in plastic, and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period helps the gluten relax, making it easier to roll. When chilled, roll out your dough on a lightly floured surface to your desired thickness, typically about 1/8 of an inch. Bake your pastry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown. After baking, let your wonderful pastry cool completely on a wire rack. This step is important for maintaining its crispness and structure. Now comes the fun part, filling and enjoying. You can fill it with anything from fresh fruit and cream to savory cheeses and herbs. This easy method yields a flaky, tender pastry that's perfect for any occasion. Get creative and savor every bite of your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.